Applications of Cluster and Factorial Analysis by Ramya Nemania and Daruri Venugopal. The primary objective of the cluster analysis is to form clusters such that each cluster is as homogeneous as possible with respect to items of interest and as different as possible between clusters. Cluster analysis is a mathematical technique in multivariate data analysis which indicates the proper guidelines in grouping the data into clusters. Factor analysis is a combination of intrinsic decomposition and recurrent factor decomposition. It is surpassing statistical approaches. Factor decomposition has endured from incertitude review justification. We can understand the concept with illustrated notations of cluster analysis and various clustering techniques in this research paper. Similarity and dissimilarity measures and dendrogram analysis will be computed as required measures for analysis. The approach of factor analysis is helpful in figuring out the underlying, hidden factors that underlie the correlations between the variables. Sometimes it's crucial to identify and isolate these facts for use in a variety of statistical techniques across different domains. With the help of illustrated factor analysis methodologies, we may comprehend the significance of factor analysis and its key concepts. We can estimate the basic factor modeling and factor loadings, and also factor rotation process. Provides the complete application process and approaches of principal factor ML. Factor and PCA comparison of factor analysis in this research paper, since all these methods use some sort of similarity measures. The same thing can be carried out with a similarity measure matrix also. In the behavioral and social sciences, researchers need to develop scales for the various unobservable factors such as attitudes, images, intelligence, personality, and patriotism. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.